So this morning happens to be a rainy day, and so I want to take you guys along and show you guys what I do on a typical rainy day. So I get into the bathroom and I usually set some time to set my intention for the day before I high five myself. Then I get on to my journaling, and recently I've really been liking to do Brendon Bouchard's Clarity Journal with questions that help guide my journaling, or sometimes I also just journal in my bullet journal. While I'm journaling, I like to listen to some music, so I turn on the music in my Calm app. And my journaling looks different every day. Sometimes I journal for a short period of time. Sometimes I journal a longer period of time. It just depends. Sometimes I answer questions, and sometimes I just write whatever is on my mind. After journaling, I like to start off with some meditation to calm my mind and ground myself. And then after that, I will move on to my exercise of the day, whether it's yoga or some light exercise and stretching. Some days I change out of my pajamas, and some days I just do my yoga in my pajamas, giving myself grace and flexibility to do whatever feels right that day. Then after that, it is time for some breakfast. I have been loving my homemade scones. I love to eat these things on a daily basis. They are so nutritious and yummy, and I will be making a video on how I make these.
My favorite. They never get old. Best coffee ever.
And while I'm eating my scones, I usually like to watch some kind of calming and educational videos on personal development, or just some videos on people's lifestyles. And sometimes I would do meditations. Like today, we have a meditation with Jay Shetty live. So I was doing that after I ate breakfast. After eating breakfast, I make sure to change out of my pajamas and get into some clothes. And because these days I've been staying in, I just wear some comfy clothes and some warm and fuzzy socks. I make sure to keep hydrated throughout the day. And then I head on over, and I usually like to do some reading. I turn my phone onto airplane mode, and then that way I won't get distracted, and then I just sit down and read, whether it's a chapter or for a certain amount of time period. It really all depends. I don't have a strict schedule as to how many pages or how many minutes I read. And then sometimes, especially on a rainy day, I like to go into my bullet journal and write down some affirmations, some things that I'm grateful for. And also I like to draw sometimes to make journaling more fun and exciting. I also have some stickers that I use, but I'm not using them today. it's time to go out for a walk. I love walking in the rain or right after the rain. So it just brings me so much joy and peace. So here we go. And this neighborhood dog always barks at me even though he sees me every single day. Now it's time for some lunch. I made some stir-fried noodles with some tofu and garnishing with some cilantro. It's so yummy. Now time for a snack. I am making an Herbal Dandelion Tea and adding some milk to make it latte style. And I'm having it with a pumpkin bar that Robert's mom made with walnuts. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in, go in. Now it's time to work out. Since it's raining outside, we sometimes like to stay home and not go to the gym and just work out together. We use this time to spend some quality time together and make sure we are exercising and staying healthy. And then for dinner, we made some amazing, the best pizza we have made. And I will also be making a video on how we made these amazing pizza. Alright, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was peaceful and calming. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!